Welcome back to OwoMata, where money meets wisdom. If you've been offline for a while, you're not alone, life happens. But today, we are coming back strong with something every Nigerian must understand. The new tax law that's shaking up pockets, wallets, and hustles in 2026. This is not just government talk. This is about your hard-earned money, how it moves, stays, and grows. So listen carefully, because understanding this could save you stress and help you navigate your finances wisely. 1. What is the new tax law? Hooked and simple. Let's strip it down in plain language. The Nigerian government has introduced changes to the way taxes are collected, not just for big companies, but for everyone who earns, spends, or operates in the economy. The idea is more transparency, wider tax base, better tracking, higher revenue for infrastructure. But here's the important part. This affects you, your income, business, savings, and even how you spend. This isn't some distant law. It's real money moving in your pocket. 2. Why this matters to you. Before this law, many Nigerians could exclude some income or transactions from official tax tracking. Now, the government wants to see everywhere money changes hands, including pay from your job, side hustles, digital earnings, apps, platforms, bank transfers, online payments, even cryptocurrency activity. That means if you make money, any money, the tax system will try to track it. 3. What this means for your wallet. Let's translate this into real everyday effects. 1. More transactions are taxed. If you freelance or do petty business through bank transfers or mobile wallets, those transactions could be reported for tax. 2. E-incomes are in sight. Your earnings from e-commerce, online platforms, digital wallets can be visible to the tax authority. This doesn't automatically mean you pay more tax, but it does mean you must be ready to explain your income. 4. How you can prepare, the smart way. Here's where OwoMata becomes your financial advisor. 1. Keep clear records. Every income must be tracked: salary, side business, app earnings, bank transfers. You might not owe extra tax, but if you're audited, records protect you. 2. Separate personal and business money. If you mix everything in one account, it looks like all your money is business income. Open a separate account for side hustle/business. 3. Understand what's taxable. Not all money is taxed the same way. For example, gifts? Maybe not. Business income? Possibly. Investment income? Yes. Digital earnings? Likely yes. You don't need fear, you need clarity. 4. Use legit tools. Apps like Kuda, OwoMata, Cowrywise, RiseVest can help you track income properly, so nothing surprises you. 5. The mindset shift you must make. Many Africans see tax as a burden, a punishment, something that takes. But the wealthy see it as a civic contribution, a cost of doing business, a part of financial planning, a calculated expense. Taxes are not the enemy. Poor planning is the enemy. If you plan for tax, it won't cripple you. 6. Case examples, short and real. A vendor with POS flows money through bank accounts tax flagged. A freelancer doing bank transfers daily tax profile changes. A business owner with clear receipts pays expected tax. Notice the difference? One plans. One reacts. Planned money never panics. 7. How this impacts your saving and investing. Because everything is visible now. Savings must be categorized. Investments must be tracked. Income must be declared. Explanations must exist. This demands discipline, records, planning. And that is exactly what OwoMata teaches. 8. Final transformation message. So if you're worried about the new tax law, don't be. What you can do is prepare. Track every income stream. Be intentional with accounts. Understand what is taxable. Use records to protect your money. Look for legal, tax optimization, not evasion. Let me say this clearly. Wisdom protects money. Fear destroys it. Start thinking strategically, not emotionally. If this made sense to you, and you want real financial guidance for life in Nigeria and beyond, then subscribe to OwoMata. Because here, we don't just talk about money. We explain it. We teach it. We apply it. Comment below. Which part of the new tax law worries you most? Let's talk so others learn from your concern too. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a professional tax advisor or accountant for legal and personal tax situations. OwoMata is not responsible for individual tax decisions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to OwoMata for more financial advice.